Hello students. Yesterday we have done question number 1. Today we will start question number 2. Okay, first read the question. What is given here? Decide whether set A and set B are equal. Okay, here we have to decide that set A and set B are equal or not. We know that what is equal set. If there are two sets A and B, the elements of two sets are equal, then those two sets are called as the equal sets. Okay, here we have to give reasons. First of all, we will write in roster form. Okay, by writing in roster form we can decide whether the set is equal or not. What is here? First, A is equal to even prime numbers. Okay, so we will write in proper manner that A is a set of X such that X is even prime number. Okay, we all know that the all prime numbers are odd, but there is one prime number which is even, that is 2. We know that the 2 is only even prime number. Okay, so that's why we will write as A is equal to, in curly bracket, 2. Okay, we will put equation number 1. So here we got the set A as the element 2. Okay, in second, what is given here? First we will copy as x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Here we have given equation. Okay, here we have given equation which contains one variable, so equation in one variable. Okay, first of all we will find the value of x. What is 7x minus 1 is equal to 13 minus 1? Here will go, then it converts into plus 1. Okay, 13 plus 1, 14. Okay, x is equal to 14 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. X is equal to 2. Again, in set B, we got element 2. Okay, by equation 1 and 2. By equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, what we are getting? We are getting that the only single elements. In set A we are getting 2, and in set B also we are getting 2. So we will write as the set A is equal to set B. This is our final answer. Okay, understood everyone? Now let's move on. Question number 3. What is given here? Which of the following sets are empty sets? We have to determine which of the following sets are empty. We know that the what is empty set, which is null set. Empty set is also known as the null set, means that the there should not be any of the element. Okay, no element is called as the empty set. First one, what is given here? A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Okay, here given that the A is the set of A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Okay, we know that the natural number starts from 1. Okay, so we can write here, there is no natural number less than or smaller than 0. So here a natural number starts from 1, and here in question number 1 we have given the set which contains natural number, but it should be smaller than 0. So our set A is null set. Okay, we have two signs for denoting null set. First one is this, and second one is phi. Okay, so this is equation number, we will not write here equation number 1. Okay, after that this is looking that the set does not contains any of the element, so we can conclude here that the set A is empty set, because set A does not contains any of the elements. So that's why set A is empty set. And what is given as in question number 2, set B is equal to x such that x such that x square is equal to 0. Okay, we know that the any number square is positive. Okay, for example 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. but whose square is 0? There is only one number which is 0, 0 itself. The square of 0 is 0 itself. Okay, so we will write here b is equal to 0. Okay, so here as you are looking that there is no element, 0 element. Okay, so we can write here that this set is empty. No, because 0 itself is a element, so we cannot write that set b is a empty set. Okay, 0 is element, single element, so we can write here that the set b is singleton set, but we have to write whether it is empty or not. So it contains elements, so that's why we will not write here that this set is empty set. So we will write set b is not empty set. Okay, in question number 3 again we have given a linear equation. C is equal to x as a 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, x belongs to n. Okay, here what is given, C is a set of x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, we have given a relationship between constant and variable which is x. Okay, and here we have given also a condition that x belongs to natural number. Okay, we will use this condition to verify that our set is empty or not. First of all, find the value of x. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here minus 2 there will go and converts into plus 2. Okay, then x is equal to 2 by 5. We got the value of x, that is 2 by 5, but as you are able to see here, the 2 by 5 is in fraction form. Okay, and we know that the natural number are simply number, okay, which is countable, but we do not use fraction number into counting. Okay, so that's why we got the x is equal to 2 by 5, and we know that the 2 by 5 does not belongs to natural number. So here x does not belong to natural number, so we will conclude that set C is empty set. Okay, here we did not get any of the values, so we can conclude easily that set C is empty set. If we got any of the values, so we cannot conclude that this is empty set. Okay, we have to write that this set is not empty set. Okay, let's do question number 4. What is given here? Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. We know that what is finite sets? The sets whose elements are countable. Okay, the sets whose elements are countable is called as the finite sets, and the set whose elements are uncountable is called as the infinite set. Okay, here we have given some questions, 6 to 7 questions, in which we have to conclude that which of the given sets are finite sets or infinite sets. First question is given here. A is a set of x such that x is less than 10 and x is natural number. Okay, we know that the natural number starts from 1. So here we can write that the here we natural number starts from 1, so we will write from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have given condition that natural number is less than 10. Okay, so we have to consider 10. If here we have given equal to sign, okay, beneath the equality, if we have given equal sign beneath the equality, then we have to consider 10, but here we have not given equal sign, so we will not consider 10, so we will consider 1 to 9. Okay, this is our set. So here set A contains, okay, as you are able to see, set A contains how many elements? Set A contains 1 to 9, means that the set A contains 9 elements. Okay, set A contains 9 elements, and these elements are countable or not, hence this is countable. Okay, 9 elements are countable, so set A is finite set. Okay, like this manner we have to solve all the question. First we have to convert it into the roster form, and we have to check that how many elements are there. We can count or not. If we can count, then we will conclude that the set is given set is finite. If we are not able to count, then we will conclude that the given set is infinite. Okay, let's do next one. What is given here? B is a set of y such that y is less than -1. So here in given set we have to find the we have given that the given set contains the element which is less than -1, and here we have given some condition that y is an integer. Okay, we know that the what is integer. Integer is positive number, negative number, as well as 0. So here we have to deal with negative numbers. So we will write as, firstly we have to convert it into roster form. B is equal to, here we have given y is less than -1. Okay, and we know that the negative numbers also goes till infinity to minus infinity. We have not given here any of the condition, so we will write like in this manner, dot 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 means that it goes on infinity. Okay, so here we will write from -3, -2 and -1. Okay, here terms comes infinity. We know that the infinity is uncountable, so we will write as this set is uncountable. So set B is infinite set. Okay, if here we have given the elements which we can count, then we have to conclude that the given set is finite. But here we have given elements which are not countable, so we will conclude that the set B is infinite set. Okay, by this question we have completed the question number 4, first and second. From next I will teach you tomorrow, but it is your duty to solve all the questions which we have done today 2 times. Okay, thanks.